What we got here today is a 52-inch Hunter Infinity ceiling fan. This fan here is in the gloss black finish paired with the high gloss rosewood blades reversible to plain black on the other side. 3-speed fan, electrically reversible. Fan dates back to 1993. Pretty cool fan here to say the least. The black is not really the most popular or the most common finish for these fans to find. They came in a rather slew of different finishes. You know, these are more contemporary fans, so you had like white and brass, polished brass, antique brass, black, plain white, and I believe there was even a gunmetal model offered as well, which those are the hardest to find. I've actually never seen one at all, so but I'm sure they're out there somewhere. Probably, I don't know if copper was a thing on these things or not either, but who knows. But I do have another one of these fans on, that I videoed quite a bit ago. It's a bit of a lighter model that uses the installer's choice canopy mounting system, but it has the black side of the blade showing down. If you want to see that, just go to my channel and find it. But anyway, we'll get this one started here. Start up here on low. Pretty typical low speed for Hunter fans here. Bearings are still quiet on this fan, and the fan is overall, pretty quiet runner altogether, so pretty nice fan. Starting up on medium. Blade pitch I want to say is 12 degrees on medium speed. I mean, the 1 foot down rod, how far it hangs off the ceiling there with that down rod, it kind of helps the airflow quite a bit. But this is a pretty decent performer. Take it to high. Probably doing around 180, 185 on high speed here. Like I said, pretty good air mover with this 1 foot down rod on it. 12-degree blade pitch. Yeah, we'll go and watch it coast. good spin down time with these heavy high gloss blades. And as we're finally coming to a stop here, we'll go ahead and end things off here. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch Hunter Infinity ceiling fan in gloss black from 1993. So we'll be seeing you next time.